old day. Today I'm going to be testing Pro-Kleen Snow Foam. I've used plenty of different snow foams before, so I'm going to give this one a go. It's probably a tenth of the price of the mainstream snow foams. I got this one, I think I got two of these, so it's 10 litres for £20, works out £10 for 5 litres. So we're going to give it a go and see how it works. The car is pretty dirty. It's been a couple of weeks since I've actually washed it, so this is going to be more of a maintenance wash than anything. You can see there's plenty of dirt everywhere, especially around the back. And the wheels are all really dirty. Okay, hose it down first, go from there. To apply the actual snow foam, I'm using my Karcher K2. It's one of the low-end Karchers. It's pretty good. And the Karcher Snow Foam Lance, I've actually put a bigger bottle on this. It's actually from Pro-Kleen, if you look. Just the bottle. And then I'll be cleaning the wheels with just an old wheel brush and going over the car. Just a wash pad. I usually do a 2 bucket system, but today, as it's absolutely freezing out here, it's just going to be basically I'm going to rinse the car off first, then put the snow foam on, let that dwell for 5-10 minutes, let it all wash off, hose that off, and then I'm going to again apply snow foam, go over with the pad, rinsing the pad after each wash with the hose pipe instead of using the 2 buckets. Okay, it comes with a nice little safety plug-in top. The old sniff test. Yep, definitely smells of apples. I think it does say on the back, snow foam to 3 parts warm water. My water is really hard here, really lime scaly, so I'm probably going to do it more of a 2-to-1 mix. So I'm just going to pop some in the old bottle and get it on the car. Pretty well. See what happens now. It's quite thick, but like I say, my water is very, very hardy, very lime scaly. You need soft water to get more foam, really. I could experiment and put more actual snow foam in with the water and see if I get thicker foam, but it's probably about the same sort of thickness as some of the other snow foams I've used. It seems to be doing its job, seems to be pulling all the dirt off. What I'll do next is leave that for a couple of minutes, it'll run off, and then I'll give it a hose down with the power washer, and then I'll do a contact wash, again using the snow foam. So it's not done a bad job. Still a little bit of film here and there, there's dirt, but again you're going to get that with your contact wash next. But for the contactless wash, I don't think it's too bad at all. It's got all the mud off the back, looks quite good. But yeah, I'm quite impressed so far. I'm going to use it now, give the whole car another coat of foam, then use a contact wash on it with just a body sponge. There we go. Pretty impressed. Let me know what you think in the comments below. This was only just a quick maintenance wash. My fingers are absolutely frozen solid, so I don't think I'll be doing any waxing or polishing today. But yeah, it's got the actual road film off and grime off. It's left a nice coat of wax on the actual body. So I'm pretty impressed with it. As a sort of inexpensive snow foam, I think it performs or even outperforms some of the more expensive snow foams. So I hope you've liked this video, and hopefully see you again soon. Cheers!